Alright, so here's how you make the Birch Blends Paleo pancakes. You need 2/4 cups of water and 3/4 cups of the mix. This is for 4 pancakes, it says on the package. And then you just add your water in and you mix it up until there's no more clumps. Alright, so all the lumps are out of my batter, and I do have a hot skillet. You want to make sure your skillet's hot. So I'm just going to add some butter to mine. And then I just used the 1/3 cup, and I'm making larger pancakes. The serving size on these is 2 to 3 pancakes, and the directions to make 6 to 7 4-inch pancakes. So basically I'm just making 2 big pancakes. And I'm going to be putting blueberries in mine. So you just sprinkle it on the top of the raw pancake mix. Then when you flip it over, it'll incorporate into the pancake. So what you're looking for, because these aren't like regular pancakes, is when the sides begin to turn brown, because you're not going to have any bubbles in the center of the pancake like a regular pancake mix. The only way you'll know that these are ready to flip is when the sides have hardened up. So I had my skillet on pretty high, so I'm going to turn it down, because if you keep it on high, they do tend to burn easier than normal. So right now it's getting more pliable for me to move, but it's still not ready. Takes probably about 1.5 minutes on each side. Alright, so I'm going to flip this one, and it should take about 1.5 minutes for this side as well. Alright, so this side has been cooking for about 1.5 minutes, and it looks pretty ready. Now, butter isn't paleo, and some people don't consider it paleo. You can use coconut oil or whatever you use to make your pancakes or waffles normally. Today I'm using butter. It's grass-fed, and I'm not on a strict paleo diet. I'm just doing this video for the fact to let you guys know how to cook these paleo pancakes. You can find these at Costco. I think it was about $7 for this 42-ounce bag, and it makes 34 servings per pouch. And I'm also going to be using pure maple syrup for these pancakes. Alright, so my pancakes are done. I'm just going to pour some maple syrup on here. Show you guys. I actually like these pancakes. I'm not on the paleo diet. I just have a different diet. I'm not keto. I just have a modified, my own version, because I don't eat a lot of meat, and I can't eat certain foods like wheat. So I found that these this brand. Tastes pretty good. It's more on the savory side and it's a little bit salty, but it does taste better than any of the other brands that I have tried. So let's see here. So it has a good consistency like a pancake. You don't have to put blueberries in it if you don't want to. You can put your favorite toppings or whatever. Alright guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more recipes and helpful tips. Thank you very much.